Alright, what is going on, everybody? It is the concrete pouring day. We're going to be pouring this out. Got the pumper in the front, concrete's in the front, everything's ready. Just gotta wait for the hoses to be all attached. We're all looking good here. Just gonna be connecting these pump hoses, and then we'll be ready to pour out.
Yeah. You're a real guy over here.
There you go, Leo.
He's just waving it around everywhere.
He was going crazy?
No, I'm just kidding.
I was killing it.
Okay, so we're just going to the 2x4s, right?
Yep. Alright guys, what's going on? Tim Odell here with Odell Complete Landscape. Right now we're just going to be pumping out this concrete backyard patio. Sweet and simple, pretty small one, about, I think it was like 4 yards. And it's just going to be me and Sam here today finishing the slab because it's a pretty small, easy job to handle, just me and him. Usually I like to get a couple extra finishers, but when it's a small project like this, there's no need for extra help. So we're going to knock this one out ourselves and just go old school on it.
Yeah, just, all you gotta do is get a little bit off the ground, minimal, like an inch.
Alright, come on. Sam.
I'm ready, dog.
Make sure it doesn't kink. That's good right there. That's it.
Come on. Go ahead, ready?
Ready? In the center.
Rebar up ready.
I said, whoa.
You do have all of it.
Me.
Go, baby.
My side. Hold up.
Yeah, that's in the middle right there.
Okay, ready? My side.
There you go, right there.
Need a little bit more right there.
Thank you. Go, baby.
Alright, your side tip.
Okay.
My side. Pull the rebar. So as we're running out here, you can see we're going one in one. We'll go one my way and one Sam way. One my way and one Sam's way. And the reason we do that is because we want to make sure we're as flat and level as possible. How we do that is we establish level for the concrete on the sliding glass door side with a chalk line, which was in part 1. So if you haven't seen part 1, check that out. I show how we marked out the house against the wall, making sure that we have our chalk line to the right height. And then as we're pouring out the concrete, the side that doesn't have the form is always the level's always got to be established with a straight 2x4, or you just use your hand floater. And then when you rod, you want to make sure that you stay right on top of that height and don't go any lower than it, because you will mess up your levels that way. And that's what we did for this whole rod job. We just kept going back and forth until I got to the smaller areas where I only needed one of us to be rodding, like this area right here. Sadly, we were actually a quarter yard short. A little upsetting. I literally tried to call the concrete company in the morning to tell them I needed an extra quarter yard, but I didn't reach them in time because they were already on the way to the job site. So I had to go to Home Depot, or actually Lowe's, and get some Blue Hawk concrete bags to hand mix for this concrete job.
I don't mind taking this hit.
Yeah. How much you got left? Is there anything left in the hose? Just whatever's in the hose, that's it.
Yeah, just pump it.
We just need like like 10 concrete bags. I don't know. Look, this is what we're looking at.
Oh, fuck, we got a trainer, so we can do it. Oh, shit.
Damn. I'm probably gonna have to go get concrete bags.
Hey, is he floated already?
No.
Good. Here's more coffee, I'll whistle. Alright, I'm gonna float it out real quick.
So before I left to go get concrete, I did want to make sure to float out all of the concrete just to make things a little bit easier for Sam as he was going to be here. Just watching over the concrete, hitting it a little bit if he needed to. But it's always good to float the concrete as soon as you're done rotting it, sooner the better. Normally I do like to hit the concrete with a wooden bowl float, but I didn't bring my wooden bowl float with me today, so I only had the mag on me, so I had to go with the magnesium bowl float. What do you think? Like probably 10 to 15 concrete bags, huh? How many? 15 concrete bags. What do you think, Leo? How many concrete bags? Yeah, that's pretty close. We were trying to order an extra quarter yard this morning, but they left before we could get them. Yeah. This area was a little difficult to float just because the fence was behind me, so I couldn't go straight on floating this. I had to go sideways a little bit, as you can see right here, because the fence behind me kept getting in the way of the poles, so I couldn't go all the way to the bottom. No big deal though, there's always ways to get around it, just as we're doing it right here. Just going towards the sides, going at it, curving it in. You see this cream, or the concrete's really creamy too. It's good concrete. It's a 3000 psi. Got this 3/8 pea gravel. Always a nice easy mix to finish. And at this point I believe I left to go get the concrete, and Sam was just gonna be here probably doing the bowl float and edging the sides, and then just waiting for the concrete to get a little stiffer until I got back. Alright, so we just got the concrete poured out. Everything's looking good so far. We bowl floated everything. We've edged the edge so far, and also we put our joints down on the chimney corners, because those are easy crack points. So that's gonna be its own slab. This is gonna be its own slab, and we are gonna put one more in the middle of this slab right here. But you can see we fell short of concrete. Very, very, very close. We got some concrete. Just actually got back from the store. We're gonna start mixing this up and pouring it in here. Yeah, we tried ordering extra concrete this morning before they left the plant, but they left right before we called, so we weren't able to get that extra quarter yard that we needed. But that's okay. We're mixing it by hand. It's just gonna be a smaller, slower drying spot right here. So here we are, hand mixing all of the Blue Hawk concrete. We're hand floating it in to get to the right levels. And then as soon as we got it to the right levels, we just went over it with the bowl float. After that, we did wait around 30 minutes or so before using this funny trowel right here. This is a fiberglass funny trowel. What we're doing is we're just bringing up the cream, smoothing out any lines that might have been left from the bowl float, and then we're going around edging the edges again.
Don't forget to clean the edge first too. Right now is a good time to clean the edge. I kind of hit it once already.
Usually just want to do one nice pass. That's about it, because like it's building a lot of cream up.
Yeah.
Just do one gentle pass. It's pretty wet still, so you don't really need to worry too much. Once you do the edge, what you want to do next is grab your floater.
Yeah.
And clean that whole thing. But remember, every time you do this, you want to also finish forward, because you have a lot of cream on the back side, you know? And, oh, another key trick, Juan.
Yeah.
Make sure this edge is always touching the concrete. If you're not making a line like that one, you're not edging correctly. Yeah, just go over the whole thing and bring it back. And bring it back. Yeah. There you go. That's good. Because we're gonna have to refinish that joint right there. Remember, hey, remember, gotta be touching the whole thing.
So right there, I was just trying to show Juan how to properly edge so that he could learn a little bit about concrete finishing, because he does want to become a better concrete finisher. So I was trying to give him some pointers on how to edge correctly so that he doesn't push down the edges when he edges and make it kind of a steep drop off, if that makes sense to you guys. And then here we are doing the first pass. It's the first pass, cleanup pass.
So get really low, Juan. Get low and just focus on the shots of the trowel.
And I had a 7.
You have that one?
Yeah.
No way.
It's already good here.
All right, there. Start it again.
Okay, so we just got done with the first pass of this slab right here. Everything is jointed. This is the first cleanup pass. We are gonna do another pass on it. We just had to clean this all up, get all of our levels established. Everything was really good though. When we routed, it was routed to perfection, so there wasn't really much movement of any concrete. We just had to clean up the corners where we couldn't really reach with our funny float or bowl float, and then just hit the slab with the steel trowels, seal it up. Got the mini finishers out here.
I still go wash my hands after this.
Oh yeah, you definitely gotta wash your hands after doing this.
Yeah,
What was that again? What'd you make?
a guy.
Oh nice, look at that guy. Look at this youngest concrete finisher in the game. Careful, you don't want to get too much of that on your hand. It's not good.
Gonna make your hands all dry.
Put that on the
I
Which one?
want it on the fence.
right here in the back.
We had the little future concrete finishers out here helping us today. So when I said it was just gonna be me and Sam, I lied. I actually had the little future concrete finishers out here helping us smooth the concrete out as well. And these kids really seem to enjoy playing in the mud. So who knows? Maybe they'll end up doing this. But this is now the last pass on this concrete patio. Really just smoothing out the concrete one more time. Every time we waited, it was about, I would say, like 30 to 40 minutes in between before hitting it a second time. And you can see in that corner, I was just smoothing it out that corner a little bit, making sure that it was sloping, because that corner was a little low. So I put a little bit of extra concrete in that corner to bring it up. That's why I was scrubbing kind of hard in that corner. But this is the last pass before the broom finish. The only thing that we really had to wait on was that a little wet spot where we didn't have enough concrete.
Hey.
I need to get all this stuff out of my way.
No, you got it.
Think I got it, man?
Yeah, you'll be okay.
Oh, even the kids think I got enough room, man. I'm just complaining over here. I hope it's ready, Timmy.
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay, because this broom's a little heavy from the water, you know?
Oh, well, maybe you should have.
Should we wait a little bit?
No, just hit it. Should have maybe tested down there, but it's okay.
You ready?
That's perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect.
It's fucking perfect, guys.
Do you need my help?
Okay, here we go.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, it looks nice, huh?
Yeah,
Yep.
that looks really nice.
Yeah, that's it. That is it, Sam.
You want to bring the bucket of water?
No, let's keep walking it over there.
You might want to. No, I think one pass maybe, huh? I don't know. Just
One
might
pass it, huh?
One might want to clean it up on the
Does
edge.
it still film?
Here, watch out, let me do this on the edge then.
Does it still film?
Yeah, I'm still filming right here.
I'm just
Watch out, guys. Watch out.
Sorry,
Give-
you guys.
Give Sam some room.
That's okay right there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go, guys. Next spot.
Don't hit our sprains.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Yeah, Sam.
You need my help.
Yeah, you need his help now?
No, it's okay. Thank you, stud. Oh, wow, guys. This is coming out better than I thought.
Oh yeah, could just get worse.
I think we're all done.
Yeah, we're all
We're getting
done.
there, man.
After this,
Looking
it's
so
our
nice.
After this, it's our handprint, and then tomorrow it's gonna be all dry.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You got that. Have you done this before?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
That's professional, man.
Because that is
Nice.
lollipop.
It's looking good, huh?
Looking real nice, Timmy.
Okay, guys. End of the day. Concrete's all poured out. We just got done brooming everything. I'm gonna show you guys real quick on how it looks. So there was a pretty wet spot right here. We had to wait a little bit since we did come a little short for the when we did pour out. We were short here, so we had to mix up a couple bags, place it in here. So this spot just took a little bit longer to dry, but this is how the whole job looks.
So we are coming to the end of this video. This was part 2 of a 3-part series. First part was the demo and setup. This is the second part, which is the concrete pour, obviously, and the third part will be the artificial turf install. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a video. And I hope you guys enjoyed the series. Stay tuned for the last part of the video, and you guys will see the whole project really come to life. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.